Hello everyone. I'm going to be posting YouTube channels all around the world. I'm very ashy on my elbows, so I will be right in the... And we back. So I couldn't really snap because I got lotion on my hands. But now it just look ashy because the lotion ain't rubbing all the way. Okay, so I wanted to bring something into my YouTube channel. And I'm going to set you guys up really quick, but y'all going to have to be low. So we are going to come low. Yeah, we're going to come low. And basically what we're going to do is get my slime little thingy. Oopsies. You'll probably see my booty. And that's really not okay. And I got some slime here for you. This is what you've been looking for. Let me find. I'm going to actually show you guys this slime. So yeah, that's the slime. It's clear. A little bit glitter up in it. Ew. And yes, I did run out of glue. But guess what? I'm about to run out of this glue. I got two glue. And this one, I got a full one. Yeah. I got slime activated, different glitters, get different crunchy stuff to add in it. So we're going to be upgrading some slime. We're going to check out this slime. Yes. And I did not tell you guys by the title what this video is going to be about. I think it did it by itself. I don't know. Yep, this is slime, and I want to upgrade this slime. Y'all want to see how pokey it is? Pokey, pokey, pokey. It's grayish purple looking. We're going to add some coloring into this. How about that?
Yeah, I'm on your ass today.
Okay, that's my dad talk to my brother. They are playing. Yep, they are playing. So what color should you think I add to this? Probably add some pink. I don't think it will turn pink though. I added some pink food coloring. Yep, that's my dad. My brother is probably watching my other YouTube video. I told him my YouTube name. By the title, you can see that, or whenever you type that person, particular person in. This is not a permanent food. It just got... this is not permanent. I need some permanent food color. I want you to be purple pink. This is permanent food coloring. It gets in a different box and a different thing. So we're gonna make this color pinkish purple. This is actually permanent. And I'm just gonna slam this on there. Yeah, that's... They need to start doing a lot of cursing. I do cuss, but sometimes I really don't cuss. Because cursing is not a bad thing. Sometimes. Okay, now I added food coloring into this. Ooh, ew. Well, it ain't ew. It's just that it's messy, ew. So messy. I might have to get my hands messy. Oh, no, yes, I do. Oh, but it's blending in. Yep, you gotta get your hands dirty for this one. You can see it's blending in the food coloring. Ooh, this is so primitive. They are talking too much. I got my room door closed and locked. You still can hit. I'm gonna let this frog sit for a minute. So I threw that over there. Throw it up in the air. Okay. We got some glue. We probably can make air freshener slime. But I want to. Let me know in the comment section what type of slime you want me to make, and make sure you subscribe to this video and put a thumbs up before you watch it. Yeah, because I forgot to tell y'all that at the beginning I'm backwards. Ass backwards. Yes, I get cussed. Yep. And I can show you the slimes I already did. I will be right in the back. And we're back. It took us a while. I had to walk in traffic. Well, not really traffic. I am in a house. This is not an apartment. Look at this slime. It got crunchy stuff in it. You want me to add some different crunchy stuff? Let me show you all the crunchy stuff I add. I got a little bit of these rainbow beads. I opened these. I got some of these. And I got some of these. This is what I put in the orange slime. Yep. And that's all. I should have vlogged when I was making the slime. But I didn't think about that. Well, I should have did YouTube video. Yep, this is scratchy slime. Yep. Let me know in the comment section what you think about crunchy slime. And I wish I could show you my brother's, but he won't let me. His is red. He's got the, did I show you my clear beads? I did it. The clear beads up in his red slime, and his is really, really stretchy. Yeah, and I'm actually getting a slime maker or machine for Christmas. It is December. The title might say it is December the 2nd. Oh no, one of my beads popped out. So yep, this is my slime. We're gonna put this back. Why are people yelling in the background? Okay. Why are they yelling? They need to shush. Okay, so yeah, we got that. This is nail polish. Yep. It's really boring, but I could just vlog to talk or do pranks. We're gonna start some pranks. Yep, pranks. And today's Saturday, by the way. We're gonna see you later, so let's go this way or that way. I think we want to leave so we can go